Hello everyone, we have Vanshika Singh here with us and she has now topped in both CLAT and ALET. So she has a rank of 101 in CLAT 2025 and 67 in ALET 2025. How do you feel?
I mean, it's a mixed bag of emotions. A lot of my friends could not make it. And even my rank, I did not expect this. I had expected a very good rank because I really worked hard for ALET. But I didn't know that others worked harder. So that is that.
See, it is not even about worked harder, this paper was very unpredictable.
Yes.
Both CLAT and ALET could have done better, both.
Yes.
Okay? There were so many mistakes, especially in CLAT, and the papers could have been better, the level could have been better. But so that is why it became more about luck also. So, so it's not just about hard work here, unfortunately.
But I'm also very grateful because, as you said, it's about luck, and it was this time. Luck was a huge factor. So, yeah.
Yeah, okay. So, since we promised that we're gonna now talk to her about her strategy, about for each section we're gonna talk, right? And now since she has cracked both CLAT and ALET and she has done amazingly well, even though she's feeling a little sad, but no, Vanshika, we are really proud of you. Genuinely, you worked really hard and you were like one of the most hardworking students. And even we expected her, that we expected that she'd get a rank of, because she has that potential. But maybe the NT is just doing a lot of mess ups lately. About NEET also had so many mess ups, right? So
if NT can do it,
yeah,
consortium also.
Yeah. So our education system really needs little more work right now, right? So that they don't disappoint students like her and other students who are much more deserving, right? But yeah, we still have to celebrate your rank. A good rank, right? So let's now talk about how she prepared her strategy section wise, and then at the end she'll also tell ki CLAT or ALET preparation, what was her different, what was her ALET strategy as well, right? So let's start with the English section.
So I've always been a reader. I even used to read Bhel Puri ka wrappings and all of that. So shampoo bottles. So the thing is, even if you're not a reader, try to read, because now you're starting with CLAT 2026 preparation. So start with reading novels. After a month or two, stop with novels and go to websites like Aeon or IQ Journal to read stuff. And economics or science, I did not really like those subjects and I did not really like reading about them. But I actually had to force myself to read those.
Yeah.
So you actually have to first acknowledge your strong sections and your strong suits. So for me, it was anything other than economics or science. So I focused on economics and science, solve passages based on economics and science using a coaching material, and read a lot. And then you might also want to cover grammar because ALET is very unpredictable and now is CLAT as well. So prepare grammar using a book. I used Wren and Martin in class 11th, but 12th I did not have a lot of time for grammar. So I just used a website called Grammarly and did grammar, uske notes bana le, and then quickly revised those. There's also a book called How to Read Better and Faster. It is
we talked about it. Like Kanav and Mudisa both have recommended these people.
It is just a wonder, and you might want to do it. I actually did it 5 times in my whole CLAT prep. I spent around 5 months, and then 2 months, and then at the last of my preparation, just before the CLAT day, I spent like 5 minutes reviewing what I had annotated and all of that. So that is for English. Okay. You want to practice really hard for English because then you get what you've been doing wrong and you work on it. So when you practice, you will get what you've been doing wrong, what you've been doing correctly, so that you can work on it further.
Basically, don't forget that this is a reading-based paper. Right. It really tests your reading skills very well. So that's what you have to improve, right? So next, logical.
Logical was something which was very new, but I actually fell in love with the subject, though it was very hard and backbreaking. I actually went through LSAT ke YouTube videos to get onto the basics, and then I used my coaching material, modules vagera to get onto the basic topics just to see what they actually are. So I read those and I did not try to memorize the definition because that won't help anyone. So just read through the concepts and then practice questions, because the questions will be based on those concepts. And again, read a lot. Also, one tip, whenever you read a passage and if you don't have questions based on that and you think this might be difficult, go on to ChatGPT and ask it to make questions for you. And I think that actually worked for me.
Basically, no rote learning, understand everything, and then practice those concepts well, and make use of the resources you have, right? Like, you make use of the internet, make use of artificial intelligence, make use of the resources that your coaching center gave. I literally see students that starting में बीच में ना क्या हुआ था, that जब students ने enroll किया था, तो initially we had a little less books, like कम थी, तो वो सारी चली गई थी, and obviously new books बनने में थोड़ा टाइम लगा था, and there were students literally after our life कि कब दोगे बुक्स, कब दोगे, इतना टाइम हो गया हमें एनरोल करे हुए, एंड देन जब हम उनकी पीटीएम से, जब उनके पेरेंट्स से बात हुई, दे टोल्ड अस दैट दे डोंट इवन टच दोस बुक्स. जब नहीं मिल रही थी तब बहुत शोर मचाया, एंड देन दे डोंट इवन टच इट. तो ऐसा नहीं करना, जो भी रिसोर्सेज हैं आपके पास, मेक फुल यूज ऑफ इट, यार पैसा वसूलो एकदम उसका. Now let's move on to legal section.
So legal was something which was again very new, but I actually enjoyed it because it was new. So Mudit sir told me to read a lot about anything which had any legal term in it. Read from legal websites like IP Leader, and there's this called Indian Qanun, which is very prominent apparently. So you might want to read a lot, and now that CLAT gave prior legal knowledge questions in this exam, you want to cover say classes, not a lot of them. I did not take any legal classes, but now you might want to review those, and you'll just get a basic idea, okay, these are the terms and this is what they mean, so that if a question comes based on that, you can actually mark the correct answer. So just review through the basics once and you'll be good to go for legal.
Yeah, basically, we've always emphasized in our videos as well that legal does not require you studying hours and legal आप पूरे laws ही rote learning. तो आपको अभी भी वो नहीं करना है कि आपको सारी लॉज पता होने चाहिए, बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली देयर लाइक अ मिलियन लॉज पूरे वर्ल्ड में, यू कांट पॉसिबली नो ईच वन ऑफ देम. तो इसलिए रीड करके यू कैन, वंस यू रीड अ लॉट, यू नो व्हाट इज गोना कम नेक्स्ट, यू कैन प्रिडिक्ट थिंग्स, ठीक है. सो दैट इज व्हाई रीडिंग इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, एंड यू शुड नो द बेसिक टर्मिनोलॉजी यूज्ड.
And even if you go to a good law school, they don't actually emphasize on rote learning.
Exactly. Yeah. So the next section,
GK.
Yeah.
So GK, I actually thought that it was very good for me, but it turned out that it was a very, very vast pool to cover. So I had initially, so before class 11, before I started preparing for CLAT and ELIT, I really loved reading the newspaper. So I knew about what was going around in the world, but I did not know the level CLAT can get into. So that's when I was in a search of friends to do GK with. So I made quite a lot of friends, and पहला टाइम तो निकल जाता है to experiment. You might want to gauge कि कौन से लोग will be there for you, will help you to learn GK, and will provide you with their materials as well. So a lot of time went there, but you actually can find friends who will actually encourage you to do GK, because at one point it gets really boring.
That's true.
So that is that, and do compendiums and cover Ekka Dukka UPSC ka websites, and you'll be good to go, and have friends to revise it with, and revise it again and again. I revised my compendiums at least twice, all of the compendiums which I did for each month, and I did 2 compendiums for each month.
Did you make notes?
I did make notes, but only for the major topics, and they were very comprehensive. I tried to go as far back in history as I could, and that actually worked. ALIT में थोड़ा बहुत.
Yeah, true, because yes, current affairs आते हैं, but most strategy के questions भी आपके current affairs topic से related आ जाते हैं. Like for example, if this year we had Olympics, तो वो Olympics के इसी साल के जरूरी नहीं है कि पूछेंगे. They will ask you static GK. They will go beyond, right? So that's why this is very important. So the last section,
I really want to add something. If you've worked really hard for GK and it does not come off a level, do not panic. Just do whatever has come, because panicking and getting angry at why that GK did not come as you wished for will actually ruin your paper, as I've seen one of my friends do.
Yeah, and it has happened with Kanav as well.
Right.
Like in CLAT, the GK was so easy पिछले साल 2024 में, and that's why it just distracted him, because GK was his so-called edge, right? But that's why you can't really let anything in the paper affect your emotions. That's why we don't predict anything, right? And we've said this before also. Last section, quant.
So quants, I was really terrified of it. In class 11th, I did not even touch it. But when I gave CLAT 2024 in class 11th for practice, I realized that I could not do without maths. So I very diligently took classes of all the basic concepts, and I kept on going back to them to revise, and kept going back on my notes. And there are some tricks which you will get a hang of if you practice enough. So that's what I did. So attend classes and practice really well. Last month I practiced maths for 2 hours because I knew that if I do not do it, it might take me down.
Yeah.
So that's why.
And since you secured such a good rank in CLAT and ALET both, so what do you think, like, you know, CLAT and ALET की strategy में क्या difference है, ALET के लिए कैसे prepare किया आपने?
There's not much difference in the two. You might want to add things for ALET. You want to do grammar because that is very important. You do not want to miss out on grammar. But if you read a lot, ना वो आ जाता है काफी कि options देख के पता लग जाता है. But still, to gain confidence, just revise grammar notes if you've made them, or go through a good book now that you have the time.
Yeah.
And then GK, you have to do one-liner GK more for ALET. So for that, refer to sources. There are many good sources on the internet. So one-liner GK will be covered from that. ALET also has a tendency to ask one-liners from the going on topics, from the current affairs. So if you make good notes and if you do them from compendiums, you will get those one-liners from there only.
One added tip is also studying from MCQs, because those are like one-liners only, right? So you can convert your notes into MCQs through any AI available, right?
And that's what I did, and it really helped me. And I also revised a lot of GK with my friends, Aditi mainly. So we revised a lot of GK, and we gave each other a lot of our notes as well. So it was pretty comprehensive. And yeah, that is for GK. And do not panic. Do not give all of your time to GK.
So that's it. Thank you so much, Vanshika. She'll be coming more on our channel now. She'll also be mentoring our students now. How are you feeling about that?
I mean, I am quite excited for it. I did not really see myself in this position, seeing students now come up to me and say, congratulations, I'm looking forward to listening to you. So it's quite a new experience, but I'm all in for it.
Thank you so much, Vanshika, for your insights, and we're really proud of you.
Thank you so much.